give the meaning.
This song is been about elephant. Elephant is imported in Thailand because it's big and small and
Is
In the past, we use elephant in war.
อะไรล่ะ
The elephant is important for Thailand's past. It allowed them to build Thailand by carrying heavy wood to build. It also allowed them for when fighting to carry the soldiers and what they need to fight. So the Chang is
พอแต่ว่ามีโอมาก็ได้
All right, bring it up.